Hey guys, what's going on? Dulos here. Just get back from a couple hour trip to my in-laws. My plow is not operational at the moment. I think the starter's gone bad. Whew, just out of breath. Just traipsing through the snow. But I went to go pick up a snowblower to borrow to get. We got like 6-7 inches of snow out there, so enough to be a pain in the butt to shovel. So figured I'd take the trip to go get the blower because they were kind enough to let me borrow it. But anyway, I want to give you a quick update on the tires and how they worked out on this trip. So first off, they were great getting out of the driveway. There's tons of snow. They just plowed through it, no problem. Didn't even need like four-wheel drive low. Just made mincemeat of it, where the all seasons I had last year would be slipping and sliding. The roads were a mix of plowed, not plowed, and snow drifts, and it handled it all. It slipped a little bit in a corner. When I was going really slow, I think there was some ice and a bunch of slush buildup, and that's to be expected. Handled the snow drifts with no problem. Handled the road no problem. It was actually quite windy in some areas, and it definitely swam a little bit, and car got a little fishy. But it wasn't a big deal. You know, you're on snow, you're on mush. It's not going to be the road. But at no time did I feel out of control. Yeah, there was a little bit of movement going on, but I always felt, I can hit the brakes. I can maneuver the vehicle, and it was fine. So I think that's the best part is that, yeah, it changes the feel. You definitely have more feel in the snow, but even in a slippery condition, it definitely felt like there was more control. And there was a lot of snow, so you can see the tread definitely filled up, and I think that contributed to it. I wonder if a big old mud tire would be good, but it handled the slot pretty good. Only threw up minimal stuff on the side of the car, and that's fine. Just don't want my wife dealing with a big block of ice here tomorrow. But it was good so far. I'd recommend them. Doing great on road, great in the snow, handled fine, not much highway noise at all. Definitely you can feel like there's a little more rolling weight to it. Probably more the rims than the tires, but it was good. So far I'd recommend them. We'll see how they go. I'll probably get an end of winter report as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, favorite, subscribe, all that good stuff. May God bless you. Keep standing up for what's right.